I like chocolate.
Bam! So we go, it's time for chocolate. It's all Ritter Sport, my favorite chocolate brand. And I've got 4 varieties here, so like a sort of super mini battle, whatevers. And here we go, I've got 2 times, this is so-called the nut class. And so this is dark chocolate and hazelnut, and this is honey, salt, almond chocolate stuff. Then we got here berry cake thing and my all-time favorite marzipan. And yeah, let's do it. Let's check them out. Oh, here we go. And first of all, I will strip everything, then cut everything, and then eat everything. And yeah, it's indeed very dark, black brown or something. Then marzipan is also with dark chocolate. Then there is the honey, salt, mandel, almond. And yeah, I'm really having fun today. And I think the most uncommon I've eating is this special. It's red currant. Now remember, I don't know what this white stuff is. Maybe it should resemble the door of the cake, the streusel cake. Alright, so here we are. And not so interesting now, but now we cut it. Here we go, I always cut stuff. So marzipan. And here we go. Black nut. Okay, it's an interesting cut. Now here we go. Ah, it's tight. So this is almond. And this last one. I eat everything. Don't think I'm wasting this. Well, aha. Very red. So, and I start off with this dark nut stuff. It's nice. It's 50% chocolate. What? The chocolate part. Or cacao. I hope you know what I mean. Very deep. It's basically a dark chocolate. Here we go. Our almond. This is nice. I can't really taste the salt, but nice flavor. Now the seasonal special. It says spring special on the outside. I have too much chocolate now. I'm making a break. Alright, back on track. Sort of got the fruity / sour finish. I think it's good. I like yogurt flavors, but it's not really like yogurt. At least I think so. Just fruity. And now marzipan. That's intense. It's interesting. It really tastes like this berry, red currant. Marzipan. Waiting. So it's like all-time favorite. It's like It's super eatable. It's not too fancy, not too boring. It's just perfect. Second place I will give this because the flavor mix is very good. First place I would give the dark hazelnut mix. Or it's not a mix, it's like dark hazelnut. In fourth place is but it's still very good. Yeah, it's like it's a little bit too exotic. Personally, I think it's too exotic. I don't know. Sour chocolate and sour chocolate. I think it's sort of a gourmet thing. Not really for me. Anyways, this was the episode. I hope you liked it. There's an upcoming chocolate episode. Alright, give me a sec. Alright, so away with this. Here's upcoming stuff. Milk-on. 4 flavors again. Caramel, Oreo. Very interested about this. Collage, yeah. And duck. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you soon.